It's another sunny 90-some degree day in northern Michigan, and welcome to the vlog for this Wednesday, hump day. We're going to slide into the weekend now. Just love it. Hey, don't forget to check out a few new videos we posted on our Forbidden Michigan channel. Some Mort Neff classics, yeah, and a little segment on Mort's kids, Joey Arbaugh and Jay Neff. They tell us a little bit about what it's like growing up as the kids of Mort Neff. That's interesting. Right now we've got a little business to do in town, a couple of towns, Standish and West Branch. Then we'll be back into the studio and finish our vlog with a little walk. Whew, let's get on the road. This is swimming weather if I've ever seen it. Yeah, beautiful weather. Humidity's high too, so be careful about that. I will bet you dimes to donuts, and I'm very careful with my donuts, that there are many people at the beaches, probably today. And in our area, I would say there were, maybe 5 or 6 beaches within a half hour from us, mostly on lakes. But of course, over there on Tawas Bay, it's got a great lakes beach, and that is beautiful. Nice, fine sand, white sand, reminds us of the tropics. On the road, we're heading south to Standish and doing a few business type things down there, meet a few clients and get things organized and back on track. Beautiful day to travel. Not sure if I've introduced you to my friend here. Can you see him? Daddy Longlegs. Daddy Longlegs and I always get along. They're my favorite spider. I do not like spiders of any other sort, but Daddy Longlegs and I get along. So he's my traveling companion. Keeps the bugs away. Okay, got my business done here. That's what I like, in and out, business taken care of, and back on the road again. We got Aranet County Fair, July the 10th through the, looks like 23rd. And that banner across the street here in Standish. It's a beautiful day for traveling. Oh my goodness, look at that. That train station is just begging to be visited. It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. Well, by golly, that was fast to West Branch, and now back on the side roads, heading back to the studio. We are on a roll. Okay, we are back at the studio, and we are going to get our mile walk in before it starts raining again. Looks like we've got some severe weather down in the Detroit area. I don't think it's going to hit our area up here in northern Michigan, but just in case, got to get my my walk done here today and get it done. What we'll do today is I'm going to walk up here and give you a tour of that abandoned cabin that you see every once in a while on the vlogs. And I see no one come in or come out. As you'll see, when you see the inside, you'll know why. It's quite abandoned. In its heyday, when I first spotted it out there, there was a trailer pulled up in back of it. And I guess they may have been using it for a hunting cabin. I just spotted some mushrooms coming up here. Humidity is high. Okay. So, here's where we'll start our tour. So, you know, just thinking about it, it's over there by the tree snaps that we've showed you in our vlogs before. And I never thought, but maybe. Could it be a Bigfoot residence or weekend retreat? I don't know. Hey, that Bigfoot conference is coming up to Cummins the 16th, which is this weekend. So head on up to Cummins, Michigan, in Oscoda County, and go to the community center. You can ask directions. It's the former Senior Citizens Center, but it was held, there's the tree snaps, by the way. It was formerly held at the Township Hall in downtown Cummins, but no longer. They moved it over to a larger facility, I think it is. Okay. Whoops. Oh my goodness. Alright, here we go. Whoa. Just spotted movement over there. I think it was a deer. Wow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I just saw a white tail flip up on this side of the cottage. Okay. And now I hear some growling. You know what, guys? I'm not sure that's what that was. Something's in this building, and I saw it. We're gonna have to continue this because I'm just gonna let this stand for just a little bit. We'll go in there at a later time when I have backup. It did sound like a wild animal. It looked like it had beige. Could have been a cougar. Enough of this right now. You can never be too careful, right? We'll continue this on the next vlog, okay? Okay. Could have been a deer snorting. They might have some areas where they bit down, but anyway, that's today's vlog. Tune in tomorrow and we'll find out what that was, okay? We'll give you a tour of that abandoned cottage. Skeeters are coming out. Keep your family close. Take care. And we'll see you tomorrow on another vlog at SoundCloud.